And so welcome now to the next video. Today we'll be learning about the balance sheet. So we'll be answering a set of questions up to number 24. Diba? Nakuha natin sa accountingcoach.com. So try natin sagutan. So number 1, another name for a balance sheet is the balance sheet. Yeah, so let's start. Another name for a balance sheet is a statement of financial position, correct? So what is a statement of financial position? It contains the assets, the liabilities, and the equity of the company. Diba? It is one of the 4 financial statements of which is the statement of changes in equity, income statement, and statement of cash flows. Diba? And the basic structure of a statement of a balance sheet is that yan, one here, the name of the company, diba? The second line, the balance sheet. The third is as of December 31, diba? The date as of, diba? It is a moment in time, then followed by this, the balance sheet items. Then it is divided into current and long term, and equity into RE, common stock, and additional paid-in capital or preferred stock if possible. This is in a corporation form. However, if the business is a sole proprietorship, the equity account would only be the capital balance of the owner, or if the partnership, the capital balance of the two owners. So, okay, let's continue. Where did we drop off? Okay, here, number 2. The balance sheet heading will specify a period of time. Oh no, a point in time, sorry. So here it is on December 31, 2015 as of. So it is the balance starting when the corporation was incorporated, or when the business was starting to live. Ito yung accumulated na balance from the very start. Number 3, which of the following is a category or element of the balance sheet? Liabilities. Diba? Liabilities. Number 4, which of the following is an asset account? Prepaid insurance. Other prepaid includes prepaid rent, prepaid advertisement. Number 5, which of the following is a contra account? It is accumulated depreciation, where its normal balance is a credit, and this is offset in a equipment account. Number 6, which is the normal balance of an asset account? It is a debit. Number 7, what is the normal balance of a liability account? It is a credit. What we mean by normal balance, is kapag lumaki yung asset, o kapag asset is going in the company, diba? Ito yung normal balance nun, or in other words, the balance that would increase it. Number 8, let's continue. What is the normal balance of the stockholders' equity account? It is a credit. And credit, it means right side. Number 9, what is the normal balance of a contra asset account? It is a credit. And take note of the word contra, the opposite. And number 10, we have a problem here. So yan, I have prepared a solution. So client J pays ABC 1,000 in December for ABC to perform services for J in 45 days. Yan, so ABC uses accrual basis of accounting. Yan, so may down payment na daw ng 1,000, diba? Cash going the business 10,000. However, diba? Di pa natin na-perform yung service, so it is a liability to perform the service of 1,000. So what is the accounting entry prepared by ABC? It is a unearned revenue or liability. Yan, number 11. ABC Corporation performed services for client K in December and billed K 4,000. Yan. So billed siya, utang. So here we debit accounts receivable. And since we perform the service, we credit service revenue 4,000. So what would be the credit? Service revenue. Okay, sorry. And however, in January, okay, following month, The following month, okay, this is the initial transaction on December, but on January, the client has paid the amount, so cash is going in, and we cancel out the accounts receivable. Yan. Number 12, ABC Corporation follows an accrual basis of accounting and performs a service on account. Yan. So, AR and a service revenue of 3.5. Take note that revenue increases equity, while expense, and decreases equity. And since it is a revenue, we increase stockholders' equity by 3.5. And number 13, which of the following would not be a current asset? It is land, diba? Land will live infinitely. It is not subjected to depreciation. Ano ba yung mga land improvement? Halimbawa yung mga road o yung mga land, we can include land yung mga what do we call that? Yung mga legal fees before or title fees before paying the land. Diba? Yung mga paggawa ng mga sewage system, yung pagpapalinis, land kasama din yun. Hindi lang yung land na mismong land, pati yung mga other things that supplements the readiness for the land to be occupied. So number 14, which of the following would normally be in current liability? It is unearned revenue. So why? Kasi note payable due to 2 years, 2 years, take note of 2 years. So it exceeds the 1-year threshold. Number 15, when an owner draws 5,000 from a sole proprietorship or when a corporation declares or pays a dividend. So this is the journal entry. Cash is going out, so we credit it, and a dividend is the normal balance is a debit. Yan. So what is the other effect of the balance sheet? Yan. It is a contra equity account. I mean, not contra equity account, but it decreases the equity account. So so this is the answer. Yan. Number 16, ABC Corporation incurs cleanup expense of 500. And it is on account 500. So what would be the effect of the cleanup service balance of the ABC? So liabilities has increased. And number 17, deferred credits will appear on the balance sheet with what are deferred credits? They are unearned credits, unearned revenues, deferred revenues. And ito, this is a deferred credit, unearned revenue. So it is a liability. 18, the notes payable could not appear as a line on the balance sheet in which classification it is not a current asset. However, it is a note receivable, then it would be a current asset. Number 19, on December 1, ABC Corporation hired Juanita Perez to begin working in January 2 with a monthly salary of 4,000. We do not record a liability since it is only a contract. And let's continue. Number 20, ABC Corporation has current assets of 50,000 and total assets of 150. Yan, 50 and 150. What will be the owner's equity? Ayan. So, accounting equation. Assets equals liabilities plus equity. So, assets minus liabilities of 80,000 would equal to 70,000 worth of equity. 70,000. 21, the amount reported in the balance sheet for PPE, property, plant, equipment, the company's estimated fair market value of the balance sheet date, false. But it should be the carrying value, diba? The historical cost value minus the accumulated depreciation. Number 22, the total amount reported for stockholders' equity is the approximate fair value or the net worth of the corporation as of the balance sheet date. This is false because the answer is here is book value. Number 30, the book value of the corporation is the total amount of stockholders' equity reported on the balance sheet. It is true. And last number, the third line of the balance sheet of at the date of the year should begin with the year ended. Yeah, correct for the year. No. As of December 31, so no. It only apply here in a income statement. Yan. For the year ended, for the months ended, for the days ended, it is applicable to income statement. So false. Yan. So thank you for watching this video and stay tuned. God bless everyone.